Hey Chris, this is Josh at Encore. I just wanted to show you this harness I chose for you before I box it up. You went full retail on me, which I appreciate. So I got you what you asked for, which is just a plug-in and go harness. There's no aftermarket hacks or tapped wires or anything that I saw. Just about a handful of clips that are broken. This EGR plug right here has both. I saw one or two injectors that had one of their plugs. There's one. So this side's missing one injector and both the clips for the EGR. This one everybody either cuts off or forgets to pull off. This is just a ground wire that goes to the bell housing bolt, but having that intact is making this one a grade A harness for you there. Alright, so there's one other fuel injector clip there broken on this side. And that's it. So one broken fuel injector clip there, one here, two clips on the EGR, and the oil pressure, the coolant line, temperature are all, everything's here. So this is a good unmolested complete harness. I hope you'll agree. And I can get this out Thursday instead of Friday if you'd like. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.